This is what my hair used to look like before, and right now this is what my hair looks like. So full, beautiful and long. Guys, I have understood this hair growth thing, and right now nothing can stop my hair from growing the way I want it to be. I have tried various remedies for massive hair growths and also hair treatments, so I know what works and what doesn't work. In this video, I will be sharing with you all 5 powerful kitchen herbs and spices which you can use for massive hair growth. Yes, I have used them and I know that they work a lot. So sit back and watch. So number 1 is onions. Onions have a whole lot of amazing benefits for your scalp and your hair. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which enhance the hair health, promotes hair growth, prevents hair loss, reduces dandruff, boosts shine. Guys, you can boil your onions in water and use it in form of a spray, and then you can also use this in your oil. You can incorporate onions into your hair oil and it will work perfectly. So guys, the next one is garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfuric acid. Garlic has antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It promotes the scalp health. It kills the bacteria that causes dandruff and other scalp issues. It promotes serious hair growth. And guys, the source of your hair growth is your scalp. And when your scalp is healthy, you will definitely produce healthy, long, beautiful hair. You can use garlic in form of a hair spray. Yes, you can boil it in water and use it in form of a hair spray as a form of a hair treatment. You can also incorporate garlic into your hair oil. Yes, you can make a garlic hair oil in which you can use on your scalp. So guys, the next one is ginger. Yes, ginger helps improve the scalp health. It stimulates blood circulation on the scalp, which promotes hair growth. It prevents hair loss, dandruff, and also itchy scalp. Yes, ginger can be used in various ways for hair growth. Yes, it can be boiled and used as a hair spray. It can also be made into a hair oil. And also a whole lot of people incorporate ginger powder in their hair growth products. Yes, such as hair butters and even leave-in conditioners. You can find ginger in them, and this really helps with hair growth. So guys, the next one is rosemary. Study states that rosemary can improve blood flow to the blood vessels in the scalp, reducing inflammation and creating a healthy environment for hair growth. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties which prevents dandruff and keeps the follicles clear. It reduces hair loss, excessive shedding, prevents dandruff and itchy scalp. This can be used in form of a hair spray too, and also we all know that a whole lot of people use rosemary in their hair oil. Most especially Ayurvedic hair growth oils, you find rosemary as one of the major herbs that people use for serious hair growth. A whole lot of people blend dried rosemary and incorporate into a well-formulated hair growth product, and it works so well, guys. So guys, the next one is hibiscus. Hibiscus is rich in essential nutrients and vitamins that strengthens the hair follicles, stimulates hair growth, and also prevents hair loss. Most of the times I've seen people use hibiscus in form of a hair spray mostly, but then a whole lot of people still incorporate this into their hair oil and other products like leave-in conditioners. Yes, I've seen that, and then it works so well. I've tried it. Yes, I've tried it, and then I love hibiscus. The only thing about hibiscus is just the color. it leaves, it leaves a whole lot of stain on the hands. That's when you're using it, but then it is perfect. It has amazing benefits, just like I said earlier. So guys, I incorporate these herbs in my hair oil and also my hairspray mostly, and then guys, it has really worked for me. So guys, please stay tuned for updates on how to make hair growth products with these herbs. Please do well to subscribe for notifications, and also like and share to so many other people that are in love with hair growth. Bye.